This has been probably my favorite topic recently. Lighting accessories for fixtures, clamps, and all that fun stuff. Um, let's get into it. So, two ways. I like the second way better, but the most simple way of adding an accessory, you can click on something and then edit accessories and hardware. And you can come in here and click on lighting accessory. It'll give you a pop-up, and you just search like clamp or something and find either repair or you'll find some stuff. You could type like, I think Omega. Yeah, something like this. Select, add it in, and then make sure it looks normal-ish, and exit accessory, and there you go. Basic thing in there, and you can modify it in the edit accessories and blah blah blah. Now let's not do that. Let's get rid of that, and let's use this lighting accessory tool. So in your fixture tool set here, you go to lighting accessory and then click add, and then it gives you the same pop-up, and you can add different lighting accessories from here. Add it and apply it, and there you go. Now let's talk about making custom ones and what we need in order for it to work as a lighting accessory. So for this example, I will bring in my Strike M bracket that I made. Strike M. Let's do the one with the hook clamps. Okay, there we go. Let's go into this and let's just look at what we have here. Should be just a group. Let's go into the group. Okay, so this is a custom solid that I made. Just modeled it, just this, then this way, and then just the, what was it, chamfer edge or fillet edge? I think it was fillet edge. Made it look a little rounder, and then subtracted solids in all these holes and add solids, all of them together, and then made it look beautiful. And then I just subtracted solid this from the regular Omega bracket, popped it in here, added solid, and then these I went into the hook clamps, took all the 3D information, stuffed it in here, and the screw, I used this fastener tool, and then made it so it looks nice. Either way, so yeah, it's just very basic, 3D information. Exit group, exit symbol. Now what we're gonna do, let's just do this way. So I'll take all this, I'll copy it, we'll make a new one so we can see what it's like. I'll delete that, and now I'll paste all that information here. So now it's just 9 objects. It's a solid, a few of these solids, and then the fasteners, the screws. Take all that, and we're gonna go to modify, create symbol. Let's call this test strike M bracket with hook clamps. Great. Okay, I don't care about that part. Great. Now I'm going to take this and locate symbol in resource manager, and it's as simple as add or attach a record. Parts, if you don't see any of this stuff, then just import any fixture into your file and it'll automatically import the record format. Click on parts, edit values, and let's set it to base. Okay, and okay, yes, great. Now you could attach a record and put in, equipment, entertainment universal, and put in all kinds of like name of it and device type. It depends how fancy you want to get, but I will turn that off for now. Okay, great. Now we are all set. So all you got to do is go to your Strike M. I'll go into like a ISO view so we can see it. And you go over here to your lighting stuff, lighting accessory, add, and let's just type in test. There's my test Strike M. Apply it. As easy as that. So now it's in there. seems like it didn't import properly. Maybe it's his axis issue. So let's go back into here. Well, the way I like to do it, something like this, is... Oh, I know why. Because it's taking the middle point between this and this. So I go to here, we'll take the center point and the center point of where I want it. There's my line. I'll cut that. Now I'll go into my test strike M, edit 3D components, and I want to move this up. Okay. And then I want to bring that to be the center of the symbol. Exit symbol. There you go. So now it just updated. So yeah, I mean it's really that simple in terms of like rivales. So let's go to shaded lighting accessory. We'll use the one that I have already made. Rivale. Oop. There we go. Select. Okay. Now, if you have multiple fixtures, you can. So let's just make a few of these. You can select all of them, then go to lighting accessory, add, find what you want, and then click on the top over here where it says apply to selection. So anything that's selected, add it. Same thing works for removing. It'll remove all of them that are selected. What else do we have over here? Oh, the tornado one was fun. Maybe I'll do a different video. Actually, no, I have a video on that. That was the first one that I did. But once it's built, you'll see all you gotta do is tornado. Oh, it's not in this. It's not in my work group. Send another project somewhere. Let's do a PXL16 then. Replace. Oh, curve 12 then. Okay. And lighting accessory. PXL16. Select. Add it. And there we go. And just looking at the Rivale or the PXL16. So all this stuff is edit 3D components. All it is a custom Omega bracket that I made as well. So just made this custom generic solid and added these things on and add solid to those. Added a fastener, added a hook clamp, and then just created a 3D like center point, and then took the measurement from here to the center of this and to there, added it, and then this way it's going to automatically start at the center of my fixture and it's going to apply both of them. So this is one accessory, I guess, if you want to call it. I find this way much easier than using this edit accessories. But again, if for some reason like you want to go in and modify things, you can do it from there. But this way is just add it in, boom, boom, and that's it.